Hello friends, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. Today our program is on Python program to count the number of words in a given line. Okay, so first I have declared a variable that is line is equal to input, enter a line of text, that is we are taking input from the user. Then in another variable w is equal to line dot split. Here we have to split the line into words. We are splitting the line into words, separate word. Okay. Now the third line, that is another variable is there, that is num w, where num w is equal to length of w. Here we are counting the number of words present in the line of text. Here we are counting the line of number of words that we have that has been entered by the user in an enter line of text. Okay, and at last we have to display the result, print number of words using the variable num w. In num w, here the count of number of words will be present and that will be printed through number of words using num w. Okay friends, thank you for seeing the video. Please comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.